Hello class, I just wanted to do a quick overview of what you might be concerned about in terms of your test. The test is now open, so you can go ahead and take that. Please know as you read through your news and announcements, you will see that as instructors we have been given a hard deadline of May 8th for ending coursework and May 12th for things to be turned in. So you really need to concentrate this week on when you can take the test. I do have the test set to close on May 7th at 11:55 p.m., but I have extended a late time frame until Friday at 12 noon. So you can still turn it in until 12 noon on Friday, May 8th. That is for both the hands-on and the concepts test. The concepts test is just a normal multiple choice true-false test. So read the instructions to take that. You will have 45 minutes to answer 26 questions. Don't forget about the help feature and the tell me feature that you have available to you to assist you if you get hung up on something in Excel. And then the hands-on test. That is the second test, or the second. You don't have to take both of these at the same time or within the same time frame. Once you start the concepts test, you have 45 minutes to complete it. With the hands-on test, you are given an instruction sheet, so you'll want to download that to your computer, open it up, and make sure that you do exactly what it tells you to do. Note, watch capitalization and spelling throughout the test because you will receive deductions if things are not spelled or capitalized correctly. So make sure you follow the instructions on that. And then you also have the spreadsheet that it says you will save to your computer. Make sure that when you save it to the computer that you name it as it tells you to name it. Do a file save as. You're going to be filling in the pink shaded cells with formulas. You will not be typing in numbers, but rather using cell names. So just keep that in mind. You will also be assessed if you use the correct formula. So if you're adding or if you're dividing something, you can't use equal sum D4 divided by B5. That is not the appropriate use of the sum formula. So just keep that in mind. The second sheet tab has you filling in some shaded cells, and then you're going to be using that data to create a chart. If anyone has any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and good luck.